Good morning students, I am Daniel, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Pondicherry College of Engineering. So in this video class, I am going to teach you about finite automata to regular expression. So last video class, I taught you about how to convert from regular expression to finite automata using Thomson construction method and regular expression to DFA. Okay, so these two methods we already I taught you in the last few video classes. So in this class, I am going to teach you about finite automata to regular expression. That is the reverse. Okay, how to convert the finite automata to regular expression. Okay, so let's take the question may be convert the following finite automata into regular expression. Okay, whether this is DFA? No. Why? See, 1 it reads 0 and 1, okay, but 2 it reads only 1, it doesn't read 0. So, it is not a DFA, it is a finite automata or NFA. Okay, so they can ask NFA to regular expression, whatever it may be. Do you remember the previous theorem how to convert finite automata to regular expression? Okay, once again I will recall you. There is a two part, one is basis part and another one is induction part. Okay. So basis part what we will do is Rij power 0, we will assume k equal to 0. Okay, so we have a few, if Rij power 0, we have few things, that is, if the automata is like this, see if the automata is like this, it reads input 1 or A, I will say A, then the regular expression is A. Okay, regular expression is A. For example, if it is R1 2 power 0 means automata is like this. See 1 2 power A, instead of A I have 1. So answer is 1. Okay, like this we have to correlate with this two. Right, and suppose if the automata is like this, that doesn't read any input, then that is pi, that we know. Similarly, if the automata is A1 A2, then it is A1 plus A2. Okay, if the automata is single state, if it is doesn't read anything, then we will write epsilon plus pi. You just recall the previous videos. Okay, this already I taught you in the previous videos how to convert the theorem to the finite automata regular expression. And if the automata is like this, if you read some input, epsilon plus pi. Okay, so if the automata is simply like this, we will write only pi. Okay, just recall previous videos. In induction part, I taught you one formula. Do you remember? Rij power k is equal to Rij power k minus 1 plus Rik power k minus 1 into Rkj power k minus 1 kk power k minus 1 the whole star into Rkj power k minus 1. So this is the formula that you have to already in the previous video class I taught you how it comes. Will case 1, case 2. Just recall the previous video class. This is the induction formula. You just remember Rij power k equal to Rij power k minus 1 plus Rik power k minus 1 into Rkk power k minus 1 the whole star into Rkj power k minus 1. How it comes means you can see like this. This is I, this is k, and this is j. If the diagram is like this, Rij power k minus 1 equal to Rij power k minus 1 plus case 1 plus Rik power k minus 1 into Rkk power k minus 1 the whole star because it's closed shape property and Rkj power k minus 1. Okay, you recall this. If you know this theorem only, we can solve this problem. Okay, that's why before studying this, you just thorough with finite automata to regular expression theorem. Okay, just I think that's the fourth video lecture in class, I think so, unit 2. Anyway, just recall it. Okay, see the heading finite automata to regular expression theorem. Right. So this is the finite automata. We will do a problem, that is solution. First I told you, we have two parts. One is basis part. Here. So now we want to assume k equal to 0. Right. That means Rij power k equal, that is 0. Rij power 0. Okay, so what is Ij? We have few cases. How it will assume is, if it is two state, we can assume R11 power 0, like this, R11 power 0. It means only single state, 11 power 0. Starting state is 1, accepting state is also 1. And then R12 power 0, 12 power 0, 1 and 2, two states. Then R21 power 0 we have to find in this basis part. Okay, then R22 power 0. Okay, once again I will tell you, in this basis part how we will assume it, if it is 2 state, we will find R11 power 0. Why power 0? Because basis part k equal to 0 we are assuming. Clear? And R11 power 0, 12 power 0, 21 power 0, 22 power 0. If it is 3 state, R1, 2, 3 like this, R11 power 0, R12 power 0, R21 power 0, R22 power 0, R23 power 0, R33 power 0, R32 power 0. Okay, clear? Right? So you can refer the 3 states problem. Anyway, clear. If it is 2, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. So what is R11 power 0? Now take starting state and accepting state is 1, 1. So only this case, like this, right? You see the automata, only this case. Starting state is also 1, accepting state is also 1. So 1, 1 power 0. I told you, in the theorem, if the automata is like this, the regular expression is epsilon plus 0. Okay, why I put epsilon? Single state means we have to put epsilon. You just refer the theorem. So R11 power 0 is epsilon plus 0. Okay, so how it comes? Based on the theorem, basis part theorem. R12 power 0. So 1 and 2. I have the state like this, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, the input is 1. Simply this 1, 2 power 0. So if the automata is like this, it comes only 1, input 1. Okay, if we study the theorem, if it is A, we will write A, like that. So we have 1 here, so we will get simply 1. R21 power 0. That means 2, 1. That means 2 and 1. Okay, there is no connection. 2, 1, there is no connection in automata. So if it is like this, 2, 1 power 0, then simply it is empty, pipe. Clear? This comes in automata. Okay, and R22 power 0. 22 power 0 means only 2. Starting state is also 2, accepting state is also 2. So 22 power 0 I will have like this. So what is that? Epsilon plus 1. Epsilon plus 1 based on the theorem. Okay, so epsilon plus 1. We found, what is that? We found basis part. Now induction part. We know the formula. We want to apply the formula. That is Rij power k equal to Rij power k minus 1 into plus ik power k minus 1 into rkk power k minus 1 the whole star into rkj power k minus 1. You don't ask me how it comes. It is the formula or it is the proof already we did in the previous classes. Okay, so this is the thing. And what regular expression I want to find? Sometime in the problem itself they will ask find the regular expression for R12 power some value, number of states is 2, 1, 2 power 2. Suppose they are not asking the problem, how we will find this? Rij power k. What is I? Starting state is 1. So starting state is 1. J means accepting state. It is 2. 2 power k means number of state. Number of state is also 2. So we have to find R12 power 2. Okay, R12 power 2. Right? So we will assume k equal to k minus 1, right? So if you have to apply, what is R12 power 2 is equal to Rij power k minus 1. What is I value here? See, I equal to 1, j equal to 2, k equal to 2 based on Ij power k. Okay, so Rij power k minus 1. What is I? 1. R1. What is j? 2. 1, 2 power. What is k? 2. 2 minus 1 is k minus 1. So it is 1. Then plus Rik power k minus 1. What is I? 1. K is 2. K minus 1. K is 2 minus 1. So 1. Into Rkk. 2 power k minus 1. 1. Okay. The whole star into Rkj. Kj power k minus 1. K is 2. J is 2 power k minus 1 is 1. K minus 1 is 1. Okay. So we can apply these things and we can find R12 power 2. But in the basis part I have only power 0. Power 0. So what I want to do is, see, in order to get power 1 into 0, once again I have to apply the formula for R12 power 1. This is same. So one time I can find R22 power 1. This is also same. Okay, why I am making this? I have the value for Rij power 0. But here I have value for Ij power 1. Okay, so 1 I don't have a value. So I want to make that into 0. So I have to find R12 power 1. If it is different, I have to find that also. These are same. So once value I get, I can apply for this 2. And these two are same. Once I value get for R22 power 1, I can apply for this 2. Clear? Okay, so R12 power 1. To find R12 power 1, once again I want to apply for the formula 12 power 1 equal to, what is I value? 1. I equal to 1. J value 2. J equal to 2. K value 1. K equal to 1. Clear? So 12 power 1 equal to, I have to apply Rij power K minus 1. So R, I means 1, J means 2, K minus 1. K means 1 minus 1, that is 0, power 0, plus Rik power K minus 1. R, what is I? I value is 1, K value is 1, power K minus 1 is 0 into Rkk power K minus 1 the whole star. Rkk power K minus 1 the whole star. So R11 power 0 the whole star there into Rkj power K minus 1 into Rk value is 1, J value is 2, power 0. Okay, so I got 0, power 0 value. So I can take power 0 from the value from here, basis part. What is R12 power 0? See, R12 power 0 is R12 power 0 is 1. 1. So 1 plus 1 power 0. Here I have 1 power 0. Epsilon plus 0. Epsilon plus 0 into R11 power 0. Epsilon plus 0. So epsilon plus 0 the whole star into 12 power 0 1. 1. Okay. Now here only we want to apply minimization rule. Do you remember we have 21 minimization rule we studied in a separate video class. Okay. So that rule we have to apply. Epsilon plus R into epsilon plus R the whole star equal to epsilon plus R. So 1 plus epsilon plus R into epsilon plus R the whole star equal to R star. Okay, we studied like R star. So 1 plus R star. R star means 0 star. 0 star into 1. You can ask how, you may ask how R star comes. See, epsilon plus R, you can assume this is R, into epsilon plus R the whole star. Okay, so epsilon plus R into epsilon plus R star equal to R star. We studied in a minimization rule. So R is 0. So it is like 0 star into 1. Okay, now it is like formula R plus R star R. See, R plus R star R equal to R star. R plus R star R equal to R star. Okay, so now R plus, this is R star R equal to R star. So R star is 0, right? So answer is 0. Can you get it? How it comes? This minimization rule is applying here. See, I am assuming R plus R star R equal to R star. We have minimization rule. So R star is 0 star. So 0. R star 0 star. 0 star. The answer is 0 star. Okay. For this R12 power 1, my answer is 0 star. R12 power 1. Again I have to apply R22 power 1. So to find R22 power 1, I have to apply I value equal to 2, J value equal to 2, K value equal to 1. Okay. So this formula minimization rule you have to study, and while doing a problem it comes automatically. While practice it comes automatically. I told you, often few problems, few rules will come. So if you study, it comes automatically. Okay, then R22 power 1 equal to now R22 power 1 equal to, see, R22 power 1 equal to, I have to apply I value, J value, K value in this formula, Ij. Okay, so Rij power R, I value is, see, I value is 2, so J value is 2. Okay, I value is 2, j value is 2. 2 power 1 equal to r ij power k minus 1. I value is 2, j value is 2, k minus 1 is 0. Okay, k is 1, 0 plus r ik power k minus 1. What is I2? K value is 1, k minus 1 is 0 into r k power k minus 1 r 1 power 0 the whole star into r kj power k minus 1 r k value is 1, j value is 2, power 0. Okay, so power 0 value I got it. So I have to apply from here. What is r2 power 0? Epsilon plus 1 plus what is r21 power 0? 21 power 0 is pi. Okay, into what is r11 power 0? r11 power 0 epsilon plus 0. Epsilon plus 0 the whole star into what is r12 power 0? That is 1. 12 power 0 is 1. Okay, so that is equal to epsilon plus 1. First we will do epsilon into something. Okay, epsilon into something that is equal to sorry, not epsilon, pi into something that is equal to pi. We have a rule, right? We have a rule. So we will get epsilon plus 1 plus pi into this for pi 1. Okay, again pi into 1 pi. Okay, so that we will get epsilon plus 1 plus pi. Pi means empty. So we can leave that. Can you understand? See, epsilon plus pi that is equal to pi. So we will get only pi, and pi plus pi into 1 that is equal to pi. So we can leave it. So we will get epsilon plus 1. Okay, so epsilon plus r equal to r. Epsilon plus r equal to r. So that is we will apply 1. See, here I will apply epsilon into r equal to pi into r equal to pi. Then epsilon plus r equal to r. So that rule I have to apply. So we will get how r2 to power 1 is 1. Okay, so I got r12 power 1 that is 0 star, and I got r22 power 1 that is 1. So I can apply from here. Okay, r12 power 2 is equal to what is 12 power 1? That is 0 star. So 0 star plus r12 power 1 again 0 star. Okay, you plus 0 star into r22 power 1 is 1. Okay, 1 star the whole star, 2 to power 1 the whole star into 1. r22 power 1 is 1. Can you apply? Can you understand? Okay, now we have to minimize this. Okay, see this is like 0 star 1 1 star, 0 star 1 1 star. This is like r into r star r into r star r, or r plus r star r into r star r. The answer is r star. The answer is r star. Okay, so here it is r star, r into r star r. This is r star, right? So the answer is r star r. The answer is r star. Okay, so what is r star is, so I will get r star. R into r star r equal to r star. R star. Okay, so now r star. So 1 star I will get 0 star plus 1 into 1 star. 1 into 1 star. So r12 power 2 equal to, the answer is 0 star plus 1 into 1 star. Once again I will explain you how to minimize this. Is 0 star I apply the same, plus this is r into r star r. R into r star r. R into r star that is equal to r star. R star. So r star I will get 0 star plus 1 star. How we can check this answer is correct is, for two states, see 0 the whole star means 0 star. I will get 0 star because 0 number of times. Plus it is 1, right? So 1 it is 1 star. Sorry, into 1 star. So I will get 1 star. So this is into 1 star. Okay, so the answer is 0 star into 1 star. So 0 star into 1 star. How we can check? This is 0 star into 1. This is 1 star into 1 star, because closure properties means star. So 0 star into 1 star. How we can apply? Here we have r star equal to r star. So 0 star plus 1 star 1 star 1. 0 star plus 1 star 1. Now r star plus r star equal to r star r. So we will get we have to apply the minimization rule and we will get like this. So answer is 0 star into 1 star. One more problem if possible I will do, otherwise you see the notes what I have given. So if you have doubts you can raise a question, or possibly I will explain you the minimization rule one more problem. Okay, thank you.